So, I've done the food segment enough times on this show to tell you that shrimp is super versatile. So it doesn't come as a surprise that Chef Noel Cunningham, who they call Chef Connie, can whip up the seafood speciality in more than 3 ways. Well, that's the kind of time we have because he probably could have done it more. Reggie,
Yeah.
respect.
Yes, man. Blessed.
Yeah, Chef Connie, who also writes for The Gleaner and is a food culinary consultant and a big-time chef and who operates out of Winnipeg in Canada.
Yes, yes.
But you're here with us this morning.
Yes, which is right.
So, before you start, tell me what you've brought quickly. Morning
All right.
again and welcome to
Yes,
Smile
man. Thanks for
Jamaica.
having me. So this is some curry shrimp.
Curry
so I'm
shrimp.
just showing different ways that you can jazz up
Regular
your
curry shrimp.
Yeah, man, regular curry shrimp. But what I had this morning is a little cinnamon. Give it a different flavor.
Which is this one right
Yeah, which is
here.
this one, and serving it with some quinoa, which is, healthy.
Yeah, this fella?
This one is a jerk shrimp, which I use my own Jamaican jerk marinade.
Your
with-
personal?
Yes, man, my personal thing.
Okay.
And I use a papaya and avocado salsa with some corn, some lime juice,
Boy.
Yeah, man,
and,
for
this
the
is,
sauce.
and this is what?
some crackers for the steamed fish, for the steamed shrimp.
Tease me and tease
Yes.
you. Tell me no crackers. And so what you going to make this morning?
And so I'm gonna make one of my signature shrimp dish. It's a steamed shrimp with okra. Just like what we call it, steamed shrimp, steamed fish.
Yeah.
It's just take out the fish, add shrimp.
Let's
Same
go.
thing. All right, let's go.
And while you're working, you have to talk to me still.
No
So
problem.
where this cooking thing come from in the first place?
This cooking thing started over
I say you have to work
over
while
10
you
years.
talk.
Yeah, man. Over 10 years.
Over 10 years?
Over 10 years, yeah, man. In the kitchen, cooking with mommy and auntie, and just always in the kitchen.
And you just decide, say, me like that.
Yeah, man, because she introduced me to Rachel Ray and Bobby Flay. So this is some okra, pepper, carrot, thyme,
Yeah.
pumpkin, onion, the whole works.
Yeah.
So the saute of this. And then I realized that cooking is just more than just what we see it as just working in a restaurant and cooking. But you can become a consultant, a food writer, food critics.
Yeah.
And now we have like CHOP, all these competitions. So cooking is just more than what we know it as.
And you went to Heart Academy also.
Oh yes, Runaway Heart in St. Anne in 2008.
It's a big time place that. no?
Yes, man, top of the top place. That's where I wanted to go once I finished high school.
Yeah.
I didn't have any ambition to go to really and truly like UTech. I just wanted to become a chef. That's my passion, and that's it.
Yeah. You were in New York recently?
Yes.
Was it last week?
Yes, it
You
was last
represented
week.
Jamaica? You
Yes,
and
man.
5 other chefs?
Yes, we were there representing our country, of course, at the James Beard House. So it's the first time Jamaica is really going to the James Beard House to cook, which is a very big deal for us because it gives us a chance to showcase Jamaican culinary on a big
Okay.
stage.
So it's a competition or you just
No, it's
go
not a
cook?
competition. It's us. We cook, and all of the proceeds go towards the James Beard Foundation, so that we can help students to go back to school and
Okay.
stuff like that. So,
Okay. What
chefs,
else? What
this is
else?
some stock, some fish stock.
Okay.
Yes, man. So that's the shrimp, the thyme, okra, everything, and we're gonna have, of course, some coconut milk, right?
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
there you go. So I want to show you have a little bit more. I'm a producer, so I must give you a little topic and you need to
No
just
problem. I'm here.
one word. Because you don't look like you can write and whistle all that one.
Me right down with someone.
The first one is KFC.
KFC.
One
Finger.
word.
Finger.
I don't mind that. One word in a
Yeah, finger.
All right. So how long would this take?
This is like 6 to like 8 minutes because shrimp cook very quickly and the vegetable can go very raw, so
Yeah.
no big deal.
So 68 minutes.
And some pimento, just to jazz it up a little.
Well, we only have 2.5 minutes. Or so
Yeah, but
we
this
know-
ready,
We don't know your workout.
Turn up this, I'm turn up this.
Yeah, we don't know your workout. The 6 minutes in two,
Look, and
two
see,
and a half
the shrimp
minutes.
start to change color. It's ready. Once it,
Yeah. Well, we're not rushing in.
No,
you know,
no, we have this anyway. Take
yeah,
it.
we're going to deal with it when it finishes.
Yeah.
The next word is spice.
Fresh
Fresh.
start.
A 2 word that you. Just one more. I think you was going to say DJ.
Yeah, next one.
Next
Ready?
one. You ready?
Next one.
Perfect date.
Money.
Chef Connie, me like it.
Yes, you need money for a perfect date,
No,
right?
me like it. Me
Because
like
for
it.
shrimp hunting a restaurant week now,
Yeah.
hard truth.
I don't like. I need a money, yes. We're rich.
Yes, man, this almost ready. And then, as usual, you can drop your crackers to steam it or just regular. So this one,
I've always wondered where that come from.
which one?
where them have this nice fish and them just throw crackers, you know. Where
So which one you like? No crackers
you
or
know, like,
crackers?
I don't like when the crackers get too soft.
No, that's why I keep mine on the side. So what I'll do now is just, you know,
Yeah.
me dip my one, you see me?
Yeah.
You see pretty?
I can't take the surface off
No,
the
no,
crackers.
no. And then this now is just jerk shrimp. You can just have like an appetizer. You have friends over.
Don't worry, man. I am
you
going
know.
to appetize it.
Yes,
for
man.
real.
And then this now is
Right.
ready. So the pumpkin mellow down, the okra, the onion, the scotch bonnet in there. And see change color already?
Yeah. Well, you sound so passionate over the
Me?
food thing.
Yeah, man.
So it's sure it's ready,
But I like to
Bridget.
teach,
I don't want you to rush it, you know.
No, man, I rush it.
Take your time, you know, you. Don't
Alright,
rush it, you know. Make sure it's ready, you know. We like we think well done.
I'm make it mellow now.
Yeah.
Make it mellow, yeah, man.
So what was it like? What did you guys do in Europe? What did you guys cook?
All right, so what we did a 6-course meal. Each meal is paired with wine. So I did an appetizer, ackee and saltfish, 1 ton cup. Of course, you know, we have to take
Ackee and saltfish, 1 ton
and cup, yeah. So of course, you know, we have to take ackee and saltfish with us, our national dish. And then I also did a roasted pumpkin soup with a coconut foam, and I did a scotch bonnet oil on top.
Oy.
And next chef did a goat chops.
What?
Goat chops. Goat, just like I have lamb chops, he did a goat chops with plantain puree. And next person did a fish with rundown
So
sauce.
were you told what to do or
No,
them just
man,
give the
we
ingredients?
created
and
our own menu, and we think about what we have in Jamaica, what we need to highlight more, and how can we change the plating style? How can we represent our country by using what we have and just, you know.
Okay. Chef Connie,
Sure, yeah.
It has smelled nice.
Yeah, man, it ready, you know.
No, I don't say it enough. I just don't want you to rush it.
I mean, I like in the kitchen too long, so I like quick cook, and shrimp is a very quick cook.
What kind of chef you be?
Look, I have things to do.
Then your job.
I'm a job, but if I'm at home,
Yeah.
I want to have something quick. So shrimp is always a go-to, you know.
You say you have things to do.
And this one I wanted to do like a steamed fish one day, and I didn't have any fish. I didn't realize, and I found shrimp. I say, all right, that's same thing. Same place. I let him swim. So
Chef, so anything where swim can
steam. Yeah, man, same method of cooking, and my things is to allow people to think outside of the box.
Yeah.
Don't be limited with what you have.
Anything that swim
Yes,
can
man,
steam.
can steam.
All right, me
Yeah,
like
so.
that. Me like that.
Yeah, man. So this ready now. You don't want your shrimp overcooked. Don't get rubbery,
Yeah.
puff. Yeah, man. So it's either an easy day like this, you know.
And that's it.
And yeah. After yesterday rice and peas and thing, you just want something light with some lemonade.
Can you have things to do?
Yeah, man, you have things to do.
Chef Noel
Yes,
Cunningham, they call him Chef Connick, who will soon be somebody like me, a dual citizen.
Talk truth.
Respect yes. All right, we're going to go for a break and take away the food quick before Jody comes to the place, because Jody going to take away all of the food, and we're not playing all that. Soon come.